in the winter, my thighs and my ass get so dry and crusty, and I have to use something like this. Hey guys, Bubby here. So today I'm going to be talking about how I cleared my skin and all of the products that I am going to be using. I will definitely put them in the description below. But if you are new here, my name is Bubby, and please subscribe and join the fam. Alright, let's get into it. So I already cleaned my face with the Believe in Truth Creamy Cleansing Foam Moist. It's for normal to dry skin. Now, if you are like me and you have combination super dry skin, especially in the winter right now, it just snowed like a shit ton. So it's like so dry. I actually haven't went out today. But this is definitely one of the products that I would recommend. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys. The formula is just beautiful. It's kind of like this eggy like color to it, but it is beautiful. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of like this eggy like texture to it, but it's really nice and it foams up and it lathers very well on the skin, which I do have problems with, is that I can never get stuff to lather very well. But this is one of them. It smells like green tea and lime. Oh, it's beautiful. And it does just very well for my skin. I have, as you can see, my skin is very red. Some of the lighting is kind of shutting it kind of down a little bit, but I am very red and blotchy most of the time. And this does help because it is very sensitive. It's very sensitive for the skin, and it's for sensitive skin, of course. I'm not really describing it good enough, but yeah, that's what it's for. Now, if you're trying to prevent your skin from drying out too much, I know a lot of these products say to use it 2 times a day. If you are anything like me and you dry out like a frosted flake, I think that you should definitely do not use this twice a day. I would definitely say use something a little bit, you know what, this is good. But for me, I feel like using something that's a little bit lighter, like even like a toner at night, I feel like would do better than just like going in with a full cleanser and just like stripping the skin again. Like, that's just for me, because I have a super dry, flaky skin. Ooh! My light has completely turned off, so give me 1 second so I can see what the heck just happened. Okay, so I cannot talk about this enough. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away. And this is honestly the best product that I have ever gotten before. It's basically, it has papaya in it, which it has been making my skin a lot whiter, which I love. But it smells like a lime popsicle, and it's just so satisfying. The way it looks and it smells great. It is honestly one of the best products that I would highly recommend if you wear a lot of makeup like me, and that you have to get up early in the morning, and let's just say it's like, oops, it's 1 o'clock, or oops, it's 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. or whatever, and you're washing your face and you're like, oh my gosh, I gotta get this off, I gotta go to bed ASAP, and you don't feel like washing it off right away. This is what I consider not washing off right away. I mean, getting it off like ASAP. This is what I definitely consider if you wear a lot of makeup like me. And as for toner, I use the Believe Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner for all skin types. Yes, this is one of the best that I have used so far. My gosh, my freaking camera has not been focusing. My camera sucks and it won't focus. I will definitely have this in the link in the bio or in the description box. I always like to use this after I'm done cleansing, or I will take this and take off the cleanser with it. It's a good combination for me. Now, this is something that's almost gone. Ooh, the packaging is quite dirty because I've used it so much. It is the Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skin, and that's what I always love to hear. It is, of course, by Fab First and Beauty. This is just the pads. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have definitely used this a lot, and I'm actually going to show you guys how I actually clean my face, because the dirtiest spots on my face is like between my nose and stuff, and I already cleansed and everything, but I did not use my toner. But this is what I just used. I put them around my fingertips, and I just kind of hold them with my thumbs, and I just go, because for some reason my nose gets like the dirtiest area on my face, and I haven't even worn makeup all day. I'm like so tired. This is like just before me going to bed. And I like to take it up on my forehead as well, because I do tend to get more pimples on my temples, because I used to wear wigs when I had alopecia, which my alopecia has cured a lot recently, which is really awesome. But this is what I've been using, and I don't know if you guys can see, but they are just really dirty now. And I always like to go in with that, like if I use this Green Clean cleanser, if I use that to take off my makeup, I go back in with one of these, because these just really get all the gunk out of your skin. Like, and I always make sure, because people, because like a person like me, I'll kind of bring it up to my hairline. What I normally miss is where I get foundation here on the side, and what I always do is that I always like to press and then pull it down. Because yes, even though you are getting the product down in the product in your hair, in a few days you will be taking a shower and the product will eventually get out. And let me just say this, okay guys, I like a year ago or two, I recently discovered that I had a really bad allergy and to wheat and gluten, and it's called celiac, and that has really messed up my skin. I'm going to be showing you guys photos if I can find some. I think I already saved some. I'm going to be showing you guys photos of what it did to my body, and I will do a different video topic if you guys would like, about how I developed my allergy and how bad it went for me. And I'm just going to let you guys know, get you guys all in that and educated on all that stuff. Because the thing about wheat is that wheat really messed with my moods. It made me very suicidal. It made me get anorexia. It made me go through all these changes that I would never wish on somebody else. Okay, that went deep very fast. Okay, so the Ordinary products. I have been using this, but I actually switched up. I used to use the Ordinary cleanser for makeup remover. I don't know if you guys can see what I used to use. And I am recently using the Green Clean, which is, this is not bad either. It actually has foundation all over it. This is not bad. You can go through this very easily, which I would recommend getting two. I think I actually might get another one. It's really good, but do not get this in your eye. You will regret it if you're anything like me. And anything you touch, smell, sniff, eat, makes you break out, well, there you go. Don't get this in your eye. Alrighty, and for the next product I have is the Ordinary AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution for 10-minute exfoliating facial. Now, this is one of those that if you have really bad acne, I believe it says you can only use this twice a week, but I would recommend using it once a week. Very strong on the skin. It burns, but it works like a motherfucker. So I would definitely say it's pretty good to use. I would highly recommend this for something that I use on my own self, and you can use this day and night, but because I am sensitive, I only use this once a day. This is lactic acid, gosh, I can't say it right, lactic acid, hell, I don't know. Acid 10% HA. Here's what the bottle looks like. My freaking camera is pissing me the hell off, and it just won't focus anymore. It literally won't. I have no idea why. Okay, there we freaking go. Okay, this is what it looks like. It comes in like a kind of pea color. That's how I can describe it. Peach, pea color, whatever you want to name it. That's what just came to my mind. But it comes in this really, really nice glass bottle. I believe it's only like $4 or to $5, which I highly, highly recommend you guys get this. It's pretty good. It just cleans your skin. Does it burn? Yes, it does. Of course, most of the ordinary products do burn unless it's like, well, for me, it does. Because I have really, really, really sensitive skin. I'm going to put those two aside. You know, it's not really how I cleared my acne. It's not how I'm definitely going to say it. It's more like how my acne got better. More likely. Most likely. Definitely has gotten better ever since I cut out wheat and gluten. I'm going to say if you have inflamed acne, if you have inflamed gut problems or anything like that, I highly recommend you get off of gluten. Okay, now this is a product that I love so very much. This is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. Now, you can use this on any part of your body, pretty much. Ugh, it's beautiful. I've used it so much. From the last time I showed you guys, it has like a huge dip. I'll use this on, I don't know if anybody else knows this. In the winter, my thighs and my ass get so dry and crusty, and I have to use something like this that will help, but I also use this on my face as well. Big amounts. This has definitely helped with my redness on my face. I don't have rosacea, but I just get really, really, very, very dry in the winter. It's just so easy to apply too. I don't have a mirror on me, so I'm just kind of winging it on the screen part. So I'm sorry if I'm not making eye contact. But I love it very much. It'll just soak into your skin within the next couple of minutes or so. I did put a lot on because my face is very crusty and dry, frosted flake bubby. That's who I am. You might as well call me that because that's what I am. But that is just what I use, and before I go to bed, I always like to use the Ultra Repair Lip Therapy. Repair dry lips. It's great. It smells like freaking mint. Tastes good. No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't taste good at all, but it smells delish. And if you guys have a dry neck, I always highly recommend that if you're going to use a cleanser, you should definitely cleanse the neck and the shoulders as well, because if you get back acne, that's a really good thing to do as well. If that is it, thank you guys so much for watching, and pretty much go to bed with me because I got my pajamas on. They're so cute, like the sleeves and everything. I actually got this from Aerie last year. Cute set. Ended up coming with little pajama leggings, and it's just so cute. Ooh, I love Aerie clothes so much. Most of their products are sold out though, which I'm like, But the reason why is because they're good. But thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and subscribe, join the club, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.